Pretending police, self-driving smashes, Tesla-hating trees, and much more are coming up on today's episode of
Wham! Bam! Teslacam! I hope you're satisfied!
This subscriber was on his way home, driving down a Swiss highway. Shortly after exiting a tunnel, everything suddenly went sideways. A truck hauling an oversized load suddenly pit maneuvered a Volkswagen, sending it spinning out of control. Before our subscriber could fully process what was happening, the Volkswagen was already completely blocking his path. His Tesla immediately applied emergency braking and began swerving back and forth in an attempt to avoid a collision, but there was nowhere to go to escape the inevitable. Our subscriber told us everything happened so fast, he doesn't even remember the impact that happened before the semi-truck T-boned his Tesla, cutting power to his Teslacams. He handed over his USB drive directly to his insurance provider before copying the Teslacam footage from it. So the only copy he has from the right side repeater camera is this video filmed with his phone. Note to self, always give your insurance provider a copy of your footage and keep the original files yourself. Immediately after the collision, our subscriber ran to check on the VW driver. When he discovered that he was trapped, he set to work freeing him from the wreckage. After using a knife to cut away the deflated airbag, our subscriber helped the driver climb out of the VW through the rear window. He offered copies of his Teslacam footage to everyone involved. His lawyer is still negotiating with the bank and insurance company, but in the meantime, his Tesla was totaled before being sold for over $34,000 to an anonymous buyer. Mustafa was showing his new Tesla Model 3 to his uncle, enjoying full self-driving and experiencing what it was capable of. After stopping for lunch, they were letting the car drive them home when they noticed emergency vehicles blocking the right lane ahead. Ready to take over, Mustafa left FSD in control, curious how it would proceed. As the car got closer, FSD slowed down for the emergency lights before cautiously stopping in the middle lane. One of the first responders was noticeably confused about why it had stopped, but before anyone could react, Bam! The driver of a Subaru Forester rear-ended the Model 3 at full speed. The first responders immediately summoned police to the scene. The officer who investigated the collision told Mustafa that stopping in the road for no reason is citable, but so is driving without paying attention. Ultimately, nobody was ticketed for the collision. In retrospect, Mustafa thinks the Tesla's stop was overly cautious and probably unnecessary. Ideally, FSD should have slowed down before carefully passing the emergency vehicles. That said, he didn't think intervening was necessary since the road ahead was mostly clear. The Subaru driver's insurance provider tried to assign 100% fault to Mustafa, but after he sent them 6 high-definition video recordings proving exactly what had happened, they dropped everything and accepted liability. It took 2 months for Mustafa to get his Model 3 in for repairs and another 3 weeks to fix it. The final bill came to about $10,000. Tori takes her 19-month-old daughter to the library every week for story time, a highlight of their week. She'd just finished buckling her into the car seat to leave when another vehicle suddenly began backing into the neighboring parking spot. Just as Tori was about to close the door of her Tesla, the reversing vehicle collided with it, nearly hitting Tori too. Miraculously, nobody was injured. The driver of the Honda CR-V told Tori that she wasn't able to see her prior to the impact, which doesn't seem possible. If that's true, maybe she shouldn't be allowed behind the wheel of a vehicle. Not a manually driven one anyway. Tori said she and her husband Max love watching Wham Bam every Sunday with their daughter, and they always joke about Honda bumps, but they never thought they'd be the victim of one. Nate was taking his son and his son's friend to a yo-yo competition in his Tesla Model Y, but they got more yo-yo action on the way there than they'd expected. As they left West Michigan, snow was falling and roads were getting slick, so traffic was moving slowly. They'd just passed an on-ramp on the left when the driver of a BMW i4 lost control while changing lanes, spinning out before plunging into the ditch on the side of the highway. Unable to stop safely, Nate continued while the BMW came to a stop in the ditch without hitting anything else. He also noted that another driver did pull over to render aid to the BMW driver. Jan was driving his Model Y down a winding state highway, enjoying the scenic views of oak trees, when one of them decided Jan had had enough fun. Out of nowhere, an oak tree that had stood for decades fell over right on top of Jan's Tesla. Jan had no choice but to smash through the massive tree as chunks of debris nearly struck a pedestrian on the other side of the road. Jan stopped and called the police to report the incident before his Tesla was towed away to a certified repair shop. After the initial estimate came to $38,000, his insurance provider totaled the Model Y. We're guessing that next time, Jan will choose a different route. Nick was driving in Seattle, Washington in his Model Y when a sedan in the left lane slowed way down, revealing a reckless pedestrian walking through active traffic. Nick managed to barely avoid hitting the jaywalker by slamming on the brakes. When he asked the man if he was okay, he kicked Nick's Tesla before grabbing the side mirror. Predictably, this pedestrian blamed everyone around him for his own poor decision-making, another textbook example of main character syndrome. Kevin was on his way to the Telluride ski resort in Colorado, driving his Model Y in the passing lane of the mostly empty Highway 62. Suddenly, his peaceful drive was interrupted by two reckless oncoming drivers as they used Kevin's lane to overtake a logging truck on a curve. Thankfully, Kevin managed to avoid both vehicles, but the driver of the black SUV had to slam on the brakes to avoid a head-on collision. He noted that they probably didn't even see his Tesla before they started passing the truck. Listen up, Wham Bam fam. When you're overtaking traffic, do it legally and safely, and only pass when you can see that the road ahead is clear. This subscriber was driving in Italy when an impatient Ford driver began tailgating his Tesla Model 3. Suddenly, the Ford driver recklessly overtook him across a solid line, even though there was only one lane in each direction. After our subscriber flashed his high beams, the Ford driver brake-checked him to a stop before gesturing for him to pass. When our subscriber refused, the Ford driver exited his vehicle and threatened him before continuing. Our subscriber flashed his high beams again, and that really set the other guy off. The Ford driver stopped again, exiting his vehicle and approaching our subscriber's Tesla menacingly. Once he was no longer in the way, our subscriber hit the juice pedal and took off. The Ford driver eventually caught up after chasing him at high speed before cutting him off and using his car to block him from continuing down a narrow road. The insults and threats continued, and that's when our subscriber called the police. When he held up his phone to show him that he was calling the police, the Ford driver also held something up, something that looked like a police badge. Our subscriber told us the other driver claimed that he was the police. Right after that, the other driver fled the scene, which seems like something a real cop probably wouldn't do in this situation. After reaching a safe location, our subscriber told the police everything that had happened and provided them with a copy of this footage. He told us he hasn't heard back from them. This subscriber was driving his Model Y with his daughter on Labor Day when he felt a heavy wind hit the vehicle. When he looked around for the source of the gust, he realized a Mercedes passing at high speed had gotten way too close. In fact, it nearly clipped a BMW in the passing lane as it threaded the needle. Our subscriber told us he was going around 70 miles per hour, so he estimates the speed of the Mercedes at 100 miles per hour or more. He showed this footage to the California Highway Patrol, but without a license plate number, there wasn't much they could do. The officer he spoke to told him this might have been the closest call he'd ever seen. Andor was driving his Model 3 down a California highway and enjoying the great weather as he entered a 55-mile-per-hour zone. Suddenly, he was cut off by an Infiniti driver recklessly weaving through traffic, who proceeded to disappear in the distance. Andor made his way to the exit lane before noticing traffic ahead slowing down and a car sitting in the shoulder. The the same Infiniti from before. Unsurprisingly, the driver had caused a major collision. The Infiniti had collided with the Honda, heavily damaging both vehicles. Andor told us he saw other drivers already pulled over to help, and since his state of charge was low, he continued. Joe was driving his Tesla Model 3, slowly making his way through the streets of Rochester. Just as he exited a roundabout, an Acura driver failed to yield to him as it exited a one-way street, going the wrong way. Thanks to Joe's immediate heavy braking, the Acura driver's recklessness only resulted in a scary close call. Sam was driving his Model Y one sunny day in Tennessee when the road he was on widened from one lane to two. He got into the right lane while a white minivan ahead got into the left lane in preparation for an upcoming left turn. Suddenly, a distracted Chevy driver tried to pass them without checking his mirrors. Sam made an evasive maneuver by turning into a parking lot, narrowly avoiding a high curb as he slammed on the brakes. Starkick was driving his Model 3 near the Paris Disneyland when he approached an uncontrolled intersection where all drivers are supposed to yield to traffic from the right. Suddenly, he had to slam on the brakes for a driver on his left who didn't know, or perhaps didn't care, about the rules of the road. After the other driver stopped, Starkick explained to him the way uncontrolled intersections are supposed to work. But he told Starkick that he was crazy for thinking anyone would actually follow that rule. He then drove off, leaving Starkick stunned. What do you think? Do other drivers typically yield to traffic from the right at uncontrolled intersections, or is expecting others to follow the law crazy? This subscriber had just dropped his son off and was driving his Cybertruck when a Volvo driver started to cross his path, forcing him to swerve hard to avoid a collision. After the close call, the Volvo driver continually shouted at our subscriber that she had been in the right. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Rach was on her way home from work in her brand new Model Y. Just after exiting a 3-lane tunnel, a gray Chrysler began invading her lane. The Chrysler nearly sideswiped Rach's Model Y before full self-driving jerked the wheel to the right, avoiding a collision. Rach confirmed she never even touched the steering wheel. In fact, she didn't even realize how close the two cars had come to making contact until she reviewed her Teslacam footage later. Good save, FSD. Andrew was driving his Model 3 in Oxford when he spotted a driver who had no idea how to use a roundabout. When the driver ahead of Andrew entered the roundabout, he turned and went the wrong direction. In his defense, Andrew told us this roundabout was fairly new when this happened, but come on, are there still people who don't know how traffic circles work? Gas-powered Tesla was about to enter an intersection when he noticed his Tesla's navigation was directing him to take an unusual route. He slowed down briefly, considering whether or not he should turn left, but ultimately, he opted to continue straight ahead. After accelerating back up to 40 miles per hour, he spotted the driver of a gray Lincoln making a right on red. Suddenly, he realized they weren't turning into the right lane or even into the middle lane. They were headed straight for his lane. Gas-powered Tesla believed that braking and swerving wouldn't help, so he accelerated in an attempt to get clear. When the Lincoln sideswiped his Tesla, it was pushed up onto the traffic island. Sadly, this severely damaged both driver's side rims, which was especially frustrating considering the fact that they were brand new without a hint of curb rash. In fact, the Tesla itself was fairly new, with only 3,500 miles on it. After the collision, the Lincoln driver blamed gas-powered Tesla and accused him of speeding. After a responding police officer watched the Teslacam footage, the Lincoln driver was found responsible. The insurance company only paid $1,500 to repair the body damage done to the Model Y, and they refused to cover the damage done to the wheels. It sounds to me like gas-powered Tesla needs a lawyer. David was using full self-driving in his Model Y as it drove him down the streets of Springfield in New South Wales. Suddenly, a glass panel that had been poorly secured to an oncoming pickup truck tumbled into the road before shattering. David disengaged FSD and swerved to avoid most of the glass shards, but now he wonders if an unsupervised robotaxi would be able to react to this situation. What do you think? Would you have let FSD continue without intervention? Thankfully, no damage was done to David's Tesla or its tires. This subscriber was driving his Model Y in Colorado one night, headed down a road with one lane in each direction while approaching the crest of a hill. Just as he was reaching the top, a Chevy Suburban overtook him at high speed, nearly colliding head-on with an oncoming vehicle. After practically forcing the other driver off the road, the reckless Chevy driver continued speeding into the distance. Our subscriber took his Teslacam footage to the Douglas County Sheriff's Office, but after waiting for a deputy to review the video for 45 minutes with no end in sight, he eventually gave up and left. Erica was leaving a parking lot in her Model 3 when a man suddenly came running out of a nearby store. According to Erica, her Tesla slammed on the brakes all on its own, avoiding a collision with the pedestrian. Yikes, that was a close one. Hopefully that guy appreciated Tesla's active safety features. If you want to see more examples of Tesla's driver assistance technologies saving the day, this video is packed with nothing but incredible close calls. Check it out, and we'll see you with more Teslacam stories next week.